Hello, in previous session we know about introduction on linear inequalities. Today in this session we are going to learn about some of the problems on linear inequalities. Here the first problem: solve minus 12x greater than 30 when x is a natural number and x is an integer. This problem can be solved using step-by-step method. That is, in first step we solve the general inequalities. In this, the general inequality is derived from the query minus 12 is greater than 30. To solve for x, divide by minus 12 and reverse the inequality sign. Then question becomes x is less than 30 minus 12. After this, we simplifying the fraction gives the general solution x is less than minus 2.5. And in the second step, we apply the integer constant. That is, the integers are the whole numbers and their negative counterparts, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. We must identify all the integers that are strictly less than minus 2.5. That means the integers that satisfy this condition are the solution set of integers, that is minus 4 comma minus 3. After this, we apply the natural number constraint. Natural number are typically defined as the set of positive integers 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the general solution requires x to be less than minus 2.5. There are no positive integers that are less than minus 2.5. Therefore, the solution for natural numbers is the empty set. Therefore, final when x is an integer, the solution are minus 4 minus 3, and when x is a natural number, the solution set is 5. That is, no solution exists. Let us see one more problem, that is solve 4x plus 3 is less than 6x plus 7. This is also a problem solved in steps. That is, in step 1 we isolate the variable term. Means subtract the 4x from both sides of the inequality to get the x terms on the right side. Therefore, the equation becomes 3 less than 2x plus 7. In step 2, we isolate the constant term. Here we subtract 7 from both sides to isolate the term x. That is 3 minus 7 less than 2x. That is minus 4 is less than 2x. After this, we solve for the x. Divide both sides by 2 to find the value of x. Therefore, the direction of inequality sign remains same because we are dividing by a positive number. Therefore, minus 4 by 2 is less than x. That is, minus 2 is less than x. Therefore, the solution is x is greater than minus 2. We move to next problem. Solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2 when x is an integer and x is a real number. This problem can be solved in steps. In first step, we solve the inequality algebraically. Therefore, the given inequality is 3x plus 8 greater than 2. To solve for x, we first subtract 8 from both sides. We get 3x greater than 2 minus 8. That is 3x is greater than minus 6. Next, we divide both sides by 3. We get x is greater than minus 6 by 3. That is x is greater than minus 2. After this, we have the solution to the inequality is all numbers greater than minus 2. In step 2, we determine the solution when x is an integer. When x is an integer, the possible values for x must be the integer greater than minus 2. The integers satisfying this condition are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. To determine the solution when x is a natural number. Natural numbers are typically start from 1, 2, 3 and do not include 0 in educational context. Therefore, the natural number satisfying the condition is x is greater than minus 2, or all the natural numbers as they are all greater than minus 2. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. One more problem. Solve the inequality for real x such that 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 into x minus 2. This problem can be solved by steps. In first step, we expand both sides of the inequality. First, we translate the problem into mathematical expression, that is 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 into x minus 2. Then we can distribute the coefficients on both sides to expand the expression. That is 4x plus 6 minus 10 is less than 6x minus 12. In second step, we simplify the inequality. In that, we combine the constant on the left side of the inequality, that is 4x minus 4 is less than 6x minus 12. In step 3, we isolate the variable terms x to gather all the terms involving the x on one side and constant terms on the other, and subtract 4x from both sides and add 12 to both sides. We get 12 minus 4 is less than 6x minus 4x. That gives 8 is less than 2x. In step 4, we solve for the x. Here we divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. That is 8 by 2 less than x. That gives 4 is less than x. Therefore, the inequality holds for all the real. Therefore, x is greater than 4. With this, I will conclude this session. Those who are having any doubt or clarifications, please put a comment in the comment box. I will rectify the same. And those who like the video, subscribe this channel. And those who did not watch the video or see the video, I will put the link in the description box. You can click on the link and witness the videos.